Let's look inside the root cells.
Science calls them amyloplasts.
But you can think of them as starch stones. Gravity pulls them down.
Wow! So no matter how I drop it, the seed fixes itself. Gravity is like a magnet for plants. La-da-da! Planting time! Just need to pop this giant bean seed right into the soil. La-da-da! Critical error! Professor, come quick! I dropped it completely upside down! The roots are going to blast into outer space. And the leaves will grow to the center of the earth!
Whoa! Hold your gears, Beep Boop. Take a deep breath or a deep cooling fan cycle. No one is blasting to space today. Trust me, you didn't break the garden. See, Beep Boop? No matter how you drop a seed, it always knows exactly where to go. But how? If a robot gets flipped, my internal gyroscope spins out. They don't need computers. Nature gave them a built-in GPS power called Gravitropism.
Gravitropism? Scanning robot database. Definition not found.
Let's look inside the root cells. See those heavy little purple spheres resting at the bottom?
Science calls them amyloplasts.
But you can think of them as starch stones. Gravity pulls them down.
Like marbles in a cup.
Wherever you turn the cup, the marbles roll straight to the lowest point. Gravity pulls everything down.
Aha! So wherever those heavy stones land, the plant cell feels it and says, aha! That way is down!
Exactly! That pressure releases a growth messenger hormone called Auxin to tell the roots to curve downward.
The roots bend down to hunt for water, while the stem does the opposite. It shoots up for sunlight. Wow! So no matter how I drop it, the seed fixes itself. Gravity is like a magnet for plants. Let me test my own sensors. Ah! Whoa! Hanging on. Balancing.
Nature always finds its way. Keep asking why.